Hello guys, my father fixed the internet. Yay! That means we have to watch the unique and rare budgies. Alright, let's start with this video. Wait a moment, it will come in few seconds. And boom, it came. Look. Oh my god, I have to buy that budgie. That is a green black face budgie. Oh my god, look at that. Oh. Look at that. I think these black face budgies are found in Netherlands. Alright guys. We see this one. Now let's skip this one. Okay guys, I'm a little sad because I hurt my tongue. Okay. I'm cold, that's why I'm doing that. Alright. Let's do this one. The full black face budgie. Oh. It starts like that. Oh, and there we go. All the black face budgies are in a line. I have to have that one, and that one. What is that black face budgie even doing? Oh. What? Why is he hanging? Or why is she hanging? I don't know if that's a female or a male. Okay. Oh. Where did the other ones go? Where did the other ones go? I think they're sitting on the corner. That's why we can't see them. Alright, let's just skip this one too. Okay. Go. Okay. Now the helicopter budgies. Okay. Oh, there they are. Look at their feathers. The feathers are popping out of the budgies. That's why they are like helicopters. That's why they are called helicopter budgies. Look. You see that, guys? Alright, let's skip this one too because we already see this one. Okay. Oh. Okay. Now, it's a little tricky. Recording and skipping. Okay, there we go. Alright. Now orange budgies. You will be shocked to see orange budgies. Oh, look. I have to get the orange budgies. I have to get the orange budgies and the yellow black face budgies and the normal black face budgies and much more unique colors like these orange budgies. Oh my god, look at that one. Oh. They keep coming. Okay. Oh. There's one. Look at that. Okay, he's walking away. Okay, look at that one. That's light orange. Oh, a couple full white budgies over there. I think they are the friends of the orange budgies. Oh, look. There's one over there. Okay. Oh. Look at that. That's far away. Okay. Oh, look at that one. Oh, one budgie just slid away. Oh, look at that one. Oh. I have to get those budgies. Right. Go. Okay, let's skip this one. Okay, there we go. Okay, now this one. This video has a music. Okay, this is the starting. Oh, look at those kingfishers. That is a nice starting. Oh, look, that's a purple budgie. Oh my god, I haven't seen a purple budgie. Oh my god. Look how beautiful it is. Oh, they're starting the flashlight and then they're showing us. Look how cute it is. I think that is a female. I think that is a female because it's laying the eggs. Okay, it's end. The video has ended. I burped twice. Okay, now the pink budgie. I haven't seen a pink budgie in real life, and there's the pink budgie. We are going to buy her too. We are going to buy the purple budgie too, and much more unique colors. Okay, that was it. Okay, that was a very short video. Okay, now these ones. I've already seen these ones in pet markets. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's the same. Oh, look, that's a female one.
There is a simple way to identify
this is a male blue budgie. This is a male one.
Various colors depending on your budgie's gender.
Look.
The sear has two little holes that are
blue hole. I mean blue.
Let's start with
blue nose.
male budgies.
This is a male blue budgie. Okay.
Have a pinkish sear without any colors on it.
Okay, they're showing it. Learn this, guys. Listen carefully. I'll not say anything.
As they go,
this is a male blue budgie.
And then royal blue.
This is a female face blue budgie. Look, that is another male one sitting with the full white budgie. Oh my God! Look at that. Okay.
Identifying female budgies.
These are female
under 4 months will have a
female blue budgies.
White and pale blue tones on their sears.
That is a female blue budgie.
Only pink sears.
Female blue budgies. Whatever. Look, it's so cute.
As they grow,
look, this is a male one.
Their sears become
look at their eyes. This one has a
and
black and white eyes. That means that was a male blue budgie. This is the look at the eyes. It's full black. That means that was a female blue budgie. Okay, guys. Oh, that's a full white. That's the albino one. Albino ones are pretty rare.
Females have similar color of the sears.
Okay.
But as the females become more mature, their
listen this, guys.
And brownish. While adult albino males will have a pink sear. Identifying Latino budgies gender. Latino male budgies will always have a pinkish sear, while female budgies will turn nude and brown as they mature.
Okay. Okay, that was the end of the video. Skip this video. Okay. Now the last one, the red budgie. The red budgie is the last one. Okay, here is the red budgie over there. Look at that. Look at that red budgie. Okay. That's a pretty unique color, whatever, right? Okay, look. Oh, where did it go? Oh, where is it? Oh, there it is. There's the red budgie. This is the last budgie video. Oh, the budgies are shouting too much. Okay. Oh, there's a full white budgie and the full red budgie. I think they're both friends. Okay. We will have to buy the red budgies too. We will buy all colors of budgies. Right? We will buy all colors of budgies that we haven't buy the colors yet. Yeah. Oh, wait. Look at that. Look, that is a red budgie and the full white budgie again. sitting on the corner. Oh look, there's a little hole, tiny hole in the cage. The budgies will escape from back there. Oh, they will easily escape from that hole. Okay, we will buy all colors of budgies. We will buy all colors of budgies. Oh, okay. Okay. That was a new mutation of budgies, it says. New mutation budgie. Of budgie. Whatever. Alright. After doing one more thing, we will end the video. Oh my god, there's so much games. Oh, there's My Pet's Penguin Simulator. Let's just go to YouTube and do one thing. Oh, not this one. Oh, no, that was a mistake. What's that? I'll not see that. Okay. Yellow budgies. I have to say full yellow budgies. Full yellow budgies. No, not budgie. Full yellow budgies. Okay, now it's coming perfectly. Oh my god, look at that one. Okay. This is albino one, the full white one, and this is the Luto one, the full yellow one. Okay, oh. Look at that. Let's see this one. Oh, look. There's one yellow budgie. After we see this video, we will send it to my grandmother, then we will buy it. It's like a list, you know. I'm a little confused in this video. Look at that full yellow budgie. Oh, I think that's another full yellow budgie. Alright, let's see that again. Okay, we are sending this video to my grandmother. Oh, not this. That is just comments. Okay. That's my grandmother's name. Vasandi Rajmon Simto. Alright. Let's just send it to her. Okay, there we go. Look. There's the full yellow budgie. Alright. There's the full yellow budgie. Look, that one. And some couple of yellow flowers behind the yellow budgie. Alright. We have seen these all budgies. Now, I hope you learn something about budgies in this video. Alright. I hope you learn about them. Alright. We watched these all videos, and next time we will watch more videos than this one. After this video, I'll send more videos to my grandmother. Then we will watch more videos than these videos. But in that video still we will see the same. Alright. Okay. I hope you learned something today. Budgies come in a variety of colors. Whatever. Alright. Let's off this phone and let's end today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, like and subscribe as well, guys. If you enjoyed, then do it, guys. Now bye, guys, and please do it.